So Taylor's and Maclaurin series for two variables. See, whenever we involve two variables, the derivatives will be called as partial derivatives. As we have y is a function of one variable, the derivative will be ordinary derivative dy by dx or f dash. So Taylor's series expansion in one variable is f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus h into f dash of x, h square upon 2 factorial f double dash of x, h cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of x, and so on. So here the ordinary derivatives were denoted by dash and h is supposed to be the increment in x. But since we are talking about two variables, here my variables will be x as well as y. H is an increment in x, k is an increment in y. So accordingly, I will have to find the expansion of f of x plus h comma y plus k, right? Instead of first order derivative f dash of x only in case of single variable, we will be having two derivatives, namely del f by del x and del f by del y, because this is a function of two variables and partial derivatives are denoted by del f by del x and del f by del y. Is this clear? So likho, if f of xy and all its partial derivatives up to nth order are finite for all points x comma y, then the expansion of f of x plus h, then the expansion of f of x plus h comma y plus k in powers of h and k is in powers of h and k is, see LHS will be f of x plus h comma y plus k. पहला टर्म क्या होता है f of x, right? So in place of f of x it will be f of xy. Second term क्या होता है h into f dash of x, right? In one variable, all of you agree that first second term is h into f dash of x, but now here h is associated with the derivative of x, k is associated with the derivative of y. So instead of this only writing h del f by del x, what I will write in one bracket, h into del f by del x plus k into del f by del y. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
सेकेंड क्या होता है एच स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 फैक्टोरियल एफ डबल डैश ऑफ एक्स, बराबर है. सो इन सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव हियर 1 अपॉन 2 फैक्टोरियल इज रिटन एज इट इज. एच प्लस के का होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज एच प्लस के होल स्क्वायर? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी व्हाट इज एच प्लस के होल स्क्वायर?
H square plus 2k square plus k square.
Yes, h square plus 2hk plus k square. And all of you know that h is associated with x, k is associated with y. So what I will do here, h square into del 2f by del y square. कैसे आएगा यहाँ पर? h square into del 2f by del y square. 2hk, middle term is 2hk. hk means mixed partial derivative del 2f by del x del y. And lastly, k square means k square into del 2f by del y square. So what will be the third term? 1 upon 2 factorial into h square del 2f by del x square 2hk del 2f by del x del y plus k square del 2f by del y square. Is this point okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third, what will be the third now? H plus k whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube?
A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube.
Yes. So here it will be 1 upon 3 factorial outside. H cube into del 3f by del x cube. 3a square b. So 3h square k. Del 3f by del x square del y. A का स्क्वायर है तो h का स्क्वायर मीन्स del x स्क्वायर. k सिंगल है तो del y. 3h k square. सो del 3f by del x into del y square. h सिंगल है, k का y square, k cube into del 3f by del y cube, and so on. This is how the expansion goes for the Taylor's series for x plus h comma y plus k. I hope the way of writing the series is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
How to write down the pattern in the series expansion? Firstly, it is single way part. Secondly, it is h plus k whole square, h plus k whole cube then. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
symbolically how it is written as, I told you, this del f by del x is written as f suffix x. Del f by del y is written as f suffix y. Del 2f by del x square will be f suffix xx. This will be mixed partial derivative fxy. This will be fyy. Okay? So symbolically it is written as this. F of x plus h comma y plus k is f of xy plus h into fx h into fx of xy plus k into fy 1 upon 2 factorial h square fxx 2hy hk fxy plus k square fyy. One upon 3 factorial h cube f triple x 3h square k fxxy 3h k square fxyy k cube f triple y and so on. So we call this as equation number A. Right? Completed. So this is the main series of expansion of f of x plus h comma y plus k for the function of two variables. We call this particular series as Taylor's series expansion. Now, as in that particular Taylor series of one variable, we had various other forms in powers of x minus a. So here it will be in powers of x minus a and y minus b. And from that only we deduce or derive the Maclaurin's series expansion for the one variable. So similarly, here also we will be having the series expansion in powers of x minus a and y minus b. जैसे h is associated with x, k is associated with y, a is associated with x, b will be associated with y. So in powers of x minus a, y minus b. उसके लिए अभी क्या करना है? We have to use some other form. So क्या है? Put x equal to a and y is equal to b. Put x equal to a and y is equal to b in equation A. Get this form first. Put x equal to a and y is equal to b in equation A. What it will be? Second order तक ही लिखिएगा. Put x equal to a and y equal to b in equation A. We get f of a plus h comma b plus k, f of a b h into fx of a, fx at a comma b, fy at a comma b. Fy means partial derivative of f with respect to y, keeping x constant. H square fxx ab 2hk fxy ab k square fyy ab. ठीक है? So this is your form number 1 where you replace x by a and y by b. Clear up to this? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I will be generating the other form wherein it gives you powers of x minus a and powers of y minus b. तो ये फॉर्म नंबर 1 में h को क्या पुट करना है? x माइनस a. k को क्या पुट करना है? y minus b. In form number 1, in above form. So what expansion you are getting here? LHS becomes f of xy, f of ab, x minus a into fx plus y minus b into fy, 1 upon 2 factorial, x minus a whole square into fxx, 2 into x minus a into y minus b into fxy plus y minus b whole square into fyy. Clear? So this is how we will be getting the series expansion in powers of x minus a and y minus b. Yeah, at point a comma b. Yeah, in the neighborhood of a comma b. Did you write this equation number b? Completed?
No, sir.
I hope understood. Everybody has understood it.
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Huh?
Sir, in the second form, we replace h by x minus a and k by y minus
Y
b.
minus b.
तो सर वो a एंड b सर वो नहीं आएगा सेकंड फॉर्म में a कॉमा b हर एक के साथ.
है ना, है ना, है ना. ये क्या fx at a comma b बोल रहे वो ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, it is obviously, but every time it is not possible for us ना, because it becomes very lengthy. तो नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ठीक है, fx निकालना किस पे है? एट a comma b पे ही निकालना है. That is for sure. जो भी डेरिवेटिव है वो एट पॉइंट a comma b में ही निकालना है. ये एज इट इज है, बट हमेशा वो नहीं लिखती क्योंकि बहुत लेंथी हो जाता है एक्सप्रेशन. राइट?
Okay, sir.
हाँ हाँ, तो वो इसका मतलब अंडरस्टूड है बाय डिफॉल्ट की वैल्यू इज टू बी कैलकुलेटेड एट दैट पॉइंट इटसेल्फ. ठीक है? यस. So by default the values will be calculated at point a comma b only. So did you complete this series, equation number b?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is called the expansion of f of xy in powers of x minus a and y minus b, or expansion of f of xy in neighborhood of a comma b or at a comma b. What will be a and b? Yes. What will be a and b? ए और बी कोई भी कांस्टेंट
Constants.
रहेंगे, है ना? जैसे इन पावर्स ऑफ x माइनस 3 y माइनस 4, a इज इक्वल टू 3 y इज इक्वल टू 4, x माइनस 2 y माइनस पाई, तो a इज इक्वल टू 2 b इज इक्वल टू पाई. सो दैट इज हाउ इट विल बी. राइट? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. यस. सो नोटेड डाउन. ये एक्सपेंशन कब यूज करना है? when the question will be use the or when the question will be expand it in powers of x minus a y minus b, or expansion of f of xy in neighborhood of a comma b or at a comma b. ठीक है? So all these three terminologies are associated with only one expansion series. Now in this above series, if you put A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, which series it will be called as? Maclaurin series,
McLaurin.
or in powers of x and y, ascending powers of x and y. आदर्श यहाँ दिखा अभी 0,0 पे कैलकुलेट किया मैंने वैल्यू.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो नोटेशन का मतलब होता है कि वैल्यू अपन वैसे ही निकालेंगे. ठीक है. Finished? Understood well? Kindly complete this series. ये मैं सेकेंड ऑर्डर तक ही लिखा हूं. इट कैन बी फॉर थर्ड ऑर्डर एज वेल. ओके. The expansion can be extended for third order. No problem. It will go on. Completed?
Yes, sir.
So this is called as Maclaurin's series for two variables, or expansion of f of xy in powers of x and y, or expansion of f of xy at origin 0, 0. Clear? Finished? Completed up to this?
Sir, wait, sir.
Sir.
एक्सपेंशन क्लियर है बेटा कि कोई डाउट है? I hope you remember the terms properly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Noted down this.
Yes, sir.